Hi, everyone. Welcome in. Thanks for joining us. My name is Carrie. Oh, and spoiler alert, today's topic, the Daryl Brooks trial. Now, I say this because I've had a few people, just a few, not many, because most of you guys get it, but just a few people in the comments put, why are you still spotlighting this trial? And I just shake my head and I think they probably just weren't into it at the time, or I don't know, they just didn't get it. Everybody has their own preferences, right? But those of us that do get it apparently can't get enough of it. So I put together something for you all, my take on the trial in 5-minute segments. So here's part 1. Enjoy.
Mr. Brooks, stop talking.
Objection, hearsay.
You would like to, you're asking that to voluntarily be taken to that courtroom.
All right, why don't we print that off so that Mr. Brooks can review that as well.
Into being called that name, and what do I need to be reviewing?
Can I come back? Can I come back? Can I come back?
I will take these in order. The first is a note from Mr. Brooks that was handed to Deputy Wittig at about 12:05. It says, I would like my filings addressed, parenthesis, notice of special appearance, statement of particulars, both are by affidavit, filed 10/3/22, which today is deadline to respond. Thank you, Mr. Brooks. I'm respectfully declining to respond to those filings.
With all due respect.
I'm going to mute him.
Still need to address subject matter jurisdiction before the jury's brought out.
I will not be doing that.
Will it be proven for the record? Why you should put up in here? Don't even tell the jury the truth.
Remove me then.
I have to rule on the request, sir. It's been a proposal filed with the court.
You haven't ruled on subject matter jurisdiction yet.
Yes, I have.
No, you keep changing the jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is a subject matter jurisdiction that has yet to be proven on the record. So is that a tacit agreement that you don't have to answer that question, Your Honor?
I make no such agreements with you, sir.
I'm seeking to merely understand.
Sir, I cannot give you legal advice. I cannot give you the understanding that you want.
And I object to that. I've yet to prove subject matter jurisdiction.
But, Mr. Brooks, you're being taken to the next
Mr.
courtroom.
Brooks. Don't try to address me
Thank
like
you.
that, like we cool. You don't have no integrity. How can you even call yourself a judge? Making tacit agreements, being biased, judicial misconduct, trying to steal somebody's system.
One last time, Mr. Brooks, do you have a position on
Can
the
I
state's
go over the
proposed-
document, please? Can I do that, Your Honor? Respectfully,
sorry?
for the record, may I do that? Can I at least raise the issue of subject matter jurisdiction? That still
No,
has
there's
to be
no
proved.
lawful motion before the court. You may not.
A reference to the charges in this matter. Paperwork that would state the charges. Any paperwork.
I just want to be treated fairly, which I
Please?
have not been.
So can we adjust the subject matter jurisdiction?
No, we cannot.
Talk about that?
Your Honor, as a
Mr.
public
Brooks.
servant, I have the right to ask questions
Sir?
of Your Honor.
Are you aware of who the plaintiff is in this matter?
Objection, relevance.
Grounds.
We're talking about constitutional rights.
Are you aware that the state of Wisconsin is an entity and cannot claim to be an injured party in this matter?
Objection.
Grounds.
906-11.
So what is the purpose of me being present if I'm not able to ask simple questions that I do not understand? Objection. Hearsay.
It's not hearsay.
That's my decision, sir. Next
Are you
topic.
making a judicial determination that those have no merit?
Mr. Brooks, I have indicated to you on the record what I will or will not do.
I would like to motion for a finding of fact.
Your request is denied.
Objection. What was the answer to the last question?
So this is your final warning, or you will be removed to the other courtroom.
Objection. Leading the witness.
He's muted. The record should reflect. It appears he's talking as well. He's making hand gestures. His lips are moving behind the mask.
In any event, do you have a position on the jury view, sir?
Yeah, what about subject matter jurisdiction? Man, I ain't trying to hear all that because at the end of the day, I did what you asked me to do. I'm simply trying to have a fair trial. Will Your Honor honor my First Amendment right
I'm
Or
not
are you
answering
making
that
it- or are
question,
you
sir,
making
because
it-
I've already addressed
So
it.
you're making a judicial determination to deprive me of my constitutional
I am not
right.
making any such determination,
So
sir.
you just said you're not going to answer the question about my First Amendment right, which says
Sir,
that
I've
I have
already
freedom of
answered the
speech.
question that you have a right to present a defense.
That is the
You have
Sixth
a right
Amendment,
to
not
be
the First.
present.
You're trying to twist
You
up the
have
amendments.
a right to present your defense, but your rights are not unfettered.
Objection. Hearsay.
Overruled. The record will reflect that Mr. Brooks did not give consent. Mr. Brooks, new topic, or under 90611, I will close the cross-examination.
Thank you guys so much for joining me again today. Let's see, we've got round 2 of Brooks versus Carpenter coming up. We've got another 5-minute compilation, just like you saw today. Part 2 will be coming up soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that the next time we drop a video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and have a blessed day.